Hello guys, in today's video we're going to show you how to build a website for your business or personal use in under 15 minutes. Please make sure you follow each step carefully and check the links in the description for relevant information. Let's start. We're going to break this tutorial into 5 easy to follow steps. First, we're going to create a domain. Then we're going to find a reliable hosting company. After that, we're going to connect our host with our new domain. The next steps will be to install WordPress on your new website and customize it. First step, creating your domain. Getting a good domain is important because that's where people will find your website. The best place to buy a domain currently is Namecheap. You can find the link to it in the description below. Go to Namecheap and find a domain that you like. After that, create a new account on Namecheap and fill in all your details. Second step, getting a good host. After you've registered your domain, you need to get a good host. There are countless hosting companies out there offering different hosting plans that go as low as $1 per month. There are always new hosting companies popping up, so make sure you check out the links in the description for the best hosting available. Third step, connecting your host with the domain. This is the most important step, because in this step, we'll make the site accessible to the public. Find the domain you purchased and click on Manage. On the Nameservers part, choose Custom DNS. Here we'll write the name servers of our host. You can find these by googling Hostname plus Nameservers. They're different for every host. I'll make sure to include these in the description below depending on which host I'm recommending. After doing that and saving your settings, we're ready to move on. Go to your host and log in to the cPanel. Find Add-on Domains on the dashboard. Fill in the domain you just bought and click Add Domain. Fourth step, installing WordPress. If you've come this far, congratulations! Your website should now be live. However, The website is still empty since we do not have anything in it. Go to your hosting dashboard. Search for Softaculous Installer. Find WordPress and click Install Now. Fill in the information exactly as I'm doing on the screen. Congratulations! Your website is now live. But it looks ugly. Let's customize it to look great. Fifth step, customizing your website. WordPress is very easy to use, and there are a lot of drag and drop plugins out there which can help you get the website exactly the way you want it. Go to Plugins, Add New. Search for Elementor. Install and activate the plugin. Next, go to Themes, Add New. Search for Hestia. Install and activate the theme. Now we have a site that looks better than the default one. Let's edit it a bit more. Go to Themes, Customize. Let's add in an image related to our business. Let's add in some text and information about us. Next, talk a bit about your services or products. Remove some unnecessary sections Now let's create a menu with pages for our users. There you go, your website is live. You can dig in deeper to edit it even further to make it look exactly as you like, and you can check our future tutorials for that. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and like the video if it was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please make sure you leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.